Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to share the web application with your colleagues using Google Drive. First, navigate to the folder that contains your application, right click it and convert it to a zip folder. After you've done that, you will have to wait for it to finish compressing the file. Be patient with that, it's gonna take quite some time to finish. Let us be patient with that. Now, as we can see that our folder is completed compressing. There it is, as you can see it. Now go to the web browser of your choice. I will be using Microsoft Edge for the purpose of this video. On the search bar, type Google Drive and proceed with signing in. As you can see, we are now on the dashboard. Of Google Drive. Click on the plus sign to upload your file. Navigate where your file is located or is stored and select it from there. While I'm still looking for the file that I want to share, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, to like and drop your comment on my videos. That will be very appreciated. Now, as you can see that I have found the file that I want to share, as of which it is the one that we have compressed earlier on this video. Let us wait for it to finish uploading. It will take some time depending on the file size that you are uploading on the drive. As you can see, it is now finished uploading. What will happen? Go to recent uploads on your drive. Navigate to the file that you have just uploaded. Click on the options button on your right hand side. Go to share and go to restricted and change that to everyone with the link, who will be able to download the file. And then you are done. You share the link with the colleague that you want to share the file with. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you.